The great storm has proved to be a wind of good fortune for many of us.
White Deer Park is out there, waiting for us!
After so long away, Owl and her handsome new mate are coming back to us. Better still, the weasels have already returned.
That's it, Cleo. In you go. Come on, Measley.
And Trey has been replaced as leader of the White Deer by a noble stag called Laird.
We shall be friends, you and I, just as you and my grandfather, the great white stag, were friends.
Can we now face the rats and win?
We are nearly there. Home! White Deer Park. Fox, adder, weasel, I'm coming home!
This is it, my long-tailed beauties. The day of our triumph has come. This morning, as the sun climbs into the sky to assume its full magnificence, we shall attack the animals in our park and kill the lot. Don't matter what they are, foxes, rabbits, moles, toads, or weasels.
This is a serious matter. A good thing that I've come back just at this moment. The fox has his good points, but he's too vague. Someone must take charge. And that someone, of course, is me. You stay here and watch the rats. I'm going to organize the others. And don't you dare hoot!
But at this time of day, what? I must hoot. I can't help it, what?
I didn't say you were irritating.
Yes, you did.
I just said that I find it irritating when you eat worms while sitting on my back. That's not unreasonable. Is it, Vixen?
Well...
You want me to starve, that's it. Has there ever been a more cruel badger?
But I'm kind.
Or not?
Are those two arguing again?
I think so.
He's cruel.
Oh, I'm very sorry.
Say that you're an unkind, horrible, smelly badger.
Oh, yes, all right. I am.
I forgive you.
Oh, moles.
What about them?
They're irritating.
I heard that. Typical. The whole world is falling down about your whiskers, and there you are lazing about in the sun. Absolutely typical behavior.
Oh, Al, do stop nagging. Al! Al, it's you! You're back!
Lying about in the sun, lazy dogs.
We're not lazy at all. We've been out fighting the rats almost every night since you flew away.
That's right.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Measley! Isn't it great to be home again? Ow! Ow! You're back too! Oh, I'm sorry about what I said. About you being too cold-hearted and old and tatty ever to attract a mate. I really am very sorry.
Yes. Well, I forgive you.
But I see that even though you've been away all summer, you still didn't manage to find one.
Well, actually... This is Hollow, my mate.
Oh, congratulations.
Yes, well done, Al. Pleased to meet you, Hollow. You're a fine fellow.
I certainly am, what?
You'll be good at killing rats, I expect.
What? None better. None better.
Oh, Owl, he's gorgeous. So handsome. Best specimen of an owl I've ever seen. Speaking as a weasel, you understand. He's much better than Measley in every way.
No, he's not.
Just look at him, you measly twerp.
But you can't compare. He's an owl. Oh, she loves me. She really loves me.
I thought I wasn't seeing things. the shadow of an owl across the surface of the pond. Owl! And you found a mate.
Oh, Ada, my old friend. How I've missed our chats. Yes, my new mate. Everyone's been admiring him. Quite an owl, isn't he? We'll have to find you a mate next, old girl. Oh, have I said the wrong thing?
Ada had a mate, a fine, handsome snake called Sinuous.
He was so very sinuous.
But the rats killed him.
Oh, my foolish beak. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to...
It's all right, Owl. You weren't to know.
The rats! They're scurrying everywhere. They're massing for an attack.
Bully! No need to worry about weasel sleds. Look at how many of us there are. We can't lose.
They're coming here.
Millions of them. More than we've ever seen. It looked to me as if they were about to mount an attack.
Oh, Fox, what are we going to do?
Well, fight them, I suppose.
There's too many. If we fight, they'll kill us all. But if there's nothing else we can do...
Owl, have you any ideas?
Yes, well, we'd better get organised. Form a circle? Hollow?
What?
My little ones! They're alone in the forest with that useless dog! Oh, Measley, do something!
Spike, you're a rat. Have you any suggestions which may help us?
Go on, matey. You take charge.
They'll come at us from all sides at once. If we hide in the burrows, we'll find they're already there waiting for us. They'll jump at us from out of the trees. I'm sorry, Fox, Toad, but there's really no chance. We can't win. Bully knows what he's doing. He'll kill us all.
Perhaps he doesn't want to fight. Perhaps he just wants to frighten us away.
I suppose it's possible.
Perhaps if I had a word with him, I could appeal to his better nature.
Oh, Harkle, you say such silly things. That beastie has no better nature.
Look, if they're going to attack from all sides, what we need to do is get behind them and surprise them. If we're lucky, we can force them into the pond.
Brilliant, Plucky.
We can go along the stream. Swim it if we have to. Come out at the boundary fence and then re-enter the park from wherever we like. All right, let's do it. Mossy, there's something important you can do.
Me? But I'm soft and weak and half-blind.
Hurry along one of your tunnels and find Laird. Tell him what's happening and that we need his help. He'll know what to do.
But I have to look after Hercule.
Hercule can look after himself. Go on, it's important. I'd ask Dash, but I can't find her anywhere.
Be careful, Mossy. See you after the battle.
Come on, let's catch up.
I don't understand. We've covered every inch of the park and hardly found a single animal to murder.
Perhaps they've run away, oh great one. You are victorious. Yeah.
It's ours. This lovely park, what I adores. Me and me lovely ratties will live here in perfect peace and happiness and have everything we want. Oh, the blissful times we will have here. I'm so happy.
Dash, there you are.
I had a terrible dream. I dreamed that... It's just like what I saw in my dream. You'll be killed. You'll all be killed.
Better keep out of the way. One rat would be too much for you.
Good morning. Whistler, Speedy, this is my new mate, Hollow.
Isn't he handsome?
Yes, good morning. What? But shouldn't we attack those rats down there? We could kill a dozen or so before the others arrive.
We'll do our share.
Down we go then.
Kill 'em! Pluck their feathers out! Pull their beaks off!
Weasels to the rescue!
Hello, I'm Hercule. Perhaps I could have a few words with you.
Hey, what?
It's just that, well, it's all so unnecessary, isn't it? All this violence. I'm kind.
Kind, is it? So am I. Who am
Now that I'm leader of the herd, things are going to be different around here. You will do what I say, or else.
Laird, you've got to come. Plucky said you know what to do. The rats! The rats! Hurry!
Can't you see I'm giving my hinds a pep talk? What a rude little mole you are.
The rats are attacking all the animals in the park. Fox and the others are doing their best, but there's millions of rats. I met 5 in my tunnel on the way here. You're going to help, aren't you?
Well, are we?
Let's stampede over them and squash the lot.
Who's the leader?
You are. You are.
Please!
We'll stampede over them and squash the lot.
Look what I found! My little friend, the toad!
Put my friend down. Put him down.
Spike! You wait there! You're next!
Hello, Hercule.
Hello there, Mossy.
Are you all right, Fox?
Yes, fine, thank you. With your help, lad, we've won.
Well, this is an exciting place to live, Owl. I'll never get bored here. What?
Well, Bully, have you had enough now? You've had your chance, and we've beaten you. Make your choice. You can gather what's left of your rats together and leave the park. Or we'll keep on fighting till there's not a rat left alive.
Except me.
Except you, Spike.
Spike! You filthy, foxy-faced traitor! You was my favourite, my boy, what I loved. I hate you now, more than anything ever I hate you. There isn't a power on earth what can beat Bully. Who am I? Who am I?
Bully, 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 bully.
Oh, dearie me.
Sinuous were here, he'd kill them all. He would. I know.
Just that here. Come on, Ratties. Bully, 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 that's me. Who am I?
Can we go back to the sewers, boss? Nice, smelly sewers, eh?
You're a good boy, Brett. Yeah. Let's go back where we belong. Where those nice human beings will look after us.
You're not going with them, matey.
No, no. All my friends are here.
I've asked you all here to this place because there's something I want to say. We've won our battle against the rats. White Deer Park is ours now. We can live here in perfect peace and practice the ideals we brought here from Farthing Wood. Our troubles are over, for the time being anyway. But I am old. No, I am. Old and tired. It's time for me to step down as your leader.
Fox, you can't.
But you're the legendary Fox.
Vixen, I've been thinking about this all summer, and my decision is final. Plucky will be your new leader.
Me? Why Plucky? Why not me?
Ranger, you're the bravest and finest fox there is. But Plucky is my grandson. Through him, you have a direct link with the original spirit of Farthing Wood.
Repeat after me. I, name of animal,
I, Rabbit,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
not to swallow anybody while en route to this place of toads.
if that's the way you want it.
It is.
Plucky's the leader! Plucky is!
My own cub. I'm so proud.
Can I be second in command?
No, that should be me.
I should be. I'm the cleverest.
I think the kindest should be leader.
It's Trey. I thought he'd been taken away.
I was. They mended my leg and put me in another park, not far from here. Yes, I was there. The walls are pulled down and they're moving the fence that surrounds White Deer Park. They're making this park and that park into one great big park. Twice the space. No need for me to be bad-tempered anymore. There's plenty of room for us all. This is wonderful news, Trey. Would you show me? Yes, Fox, if you like. I may be cured of my bad tempers, but I still don't like weasels.
What cheek?
I think that as we're all very tired, we should go down to the pond for a drink. Then all go back to our nests and burrows and sleep. We can explore our big new park tomorrow. And then we will plan how to live together in perfect peace and harmony, in the true spirit of Farthing Wood.